All right. So, hello, my wonderful FCC designers. I am about to record me creating a video based off of the 4 images that we used in class. Remember, we were working on our Movember poster. All right, so I did create one before the start of this one, but I made sure it was the wrong size and it was just for practice. So what I'm about to create now is one at the size that we're going to do. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is File New, or actually when you open Photoshop, you'll automatically have this screen. So I'm going to click on New. And as soon as I click on New, just so that you guys know, I'm working on 2 screens, so I have to drag mine over into the other screen. But as soon as we click on New, of course, we have this New Document dialog box, and we have to tell Photoshop what our intent for our project is. For us, we're going to create something in, we have the option of doing photo, or we have the option of doing print. I'm going to go with print, so let's choose print. And I made the size based off of the size of Costco's, as you guys know, which was 16 by 20. So now I have to decide whether I am going to do this landscape or portrait. I gave you guys a choice of the orientation, but I'm just going to type 16 for the width. I'll type 20 for the height. Now, that usually is the, of course, portrait orientation because it's smaller at the top. But what we're going to do is I want it to be landscape. But if I click, notice I can go back and forth as well. Okay, so I want mine to be landscape. So I'm going to go with the landscape orientation. Also, we want to make sure artboards is unchecked. Mine is unchecked by default, but in case yours is not, make sure you do not have a check there for artboard. Once we have that, RGB color, I'm going to switch mine to CMYK because we know that it's going to be printed. Although Photoshop likes RGB. It works best in RGB. But for these purposes, we're going to save it there. You can also name it, like right here in preset. I can just say Movember, and the name will be there for me. Now, this does not mean it's saved. It just means that the name is there. So I'm going to choose Create. And at this point, Photoshop created our document for us to work in. So we're going to import. I like to import all 4 of the images that we're choosing. You guys know we have to do it one at a time, unfortunately, but I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded, and my computer's running just a little bit slow, and I think it's because QuickTime is running in the background, but that's okay. All right, so the first one I'm going to grab is, well, really doesn't matter what order. We're bringing all 4 in, but I'm going to bring in the bricks. And as you know, if we hold shift and we try to select more, it will not allow us. It'll only allow us to do one at a time. They really need to fix this feature, but for now,